Hi, this is Vanessa with Designs by Vanessa. Today I will demonstrate how to work chain stitches. So this is your tail end. You will start with a slip knot, hold your yarn, and then wrap the yarn around your two fingers and back up the loop, the hole, and then just pull it right through and then tighten it. And there are many ways to do slip knots. This is just how I do it. So insert your crochet hook and then pull to tighten. So this is your tail end. It loosens the knot and then this side tightens. Wrap your yarn around your fingers and hold the tail end, yarn over, and then pull it through that loop. So again, go under the yarn and then grab it and pull it through. Yarn over and pull it through your loop. And try to keep your stitches loose so that you can work in it. If it's too tight, you will have trouble putting your hook through when you're working your stitches. So I'd like to hold on to the bottom piece, and then you can wrap your finger once on your pinky, but I like to wrap it on my pointer finger twice. And I keep my middle finger and thumb on the bottom. Make sure it's not too loose like that or too tight. Okay, so let's try it again. Yarn over, grab the yarn, pull it through that loop, and I like to tilt my hook down. I feel like that way it's less likely to fall off of my hook. So when I yarn over, and then when I come near the loop, I like to turn the hook downwards to pull it through. And there are, you'll figure out which is best for you. This is just how I do it. And this is what works for me. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And if you hold on to the bottom piece and move your fingers up as you go, like that, it sort of helps you with tension. Otherwise, it'll be floppy. Your work will be floppy, and then it'll be hard to get your yarn over stitches through the loop. So yarn over and pull through. So this is how you work the chain stitches. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.